Hi, IBA members. This is Jeff Klump, President of K4 Architecture and Design. Over the past several years, the K4 team has been so blessed and had the privilege of working with many of the great community banks in Indiana. As a preferred service provider for the IBA, we have had the privilege to work on multiple branch projects, both new and remodels, or as Jack likes to call them, refreshes, as well as a number of main office and operations centers. And it continues. The K4 team has worked on new main offices for First Bank of Berne in Berne, Indiana, and State Bank of Lisden in Brownsburg, Indiana, as well as a regional main office for First Financial Bank in Columbus, Indiana. We are also working with First State Bank of Middlebury on a full building main office remodel of their existing facility in Middlebury. We also created a new boardroom and additional office spaces for Springs Valley Bank on the second floor of the existing main office in Jasper, Indiana. We have also completed branches for all 5 of these growing community banks. First Bank of Berne, their Berne, Indiana branch, Plainfield and Lebanon, Indiana for State Bank of Lisden, and 3 branches for First Financial Bank throughout Indiana, and K4 did an extensive remodel for the First State Bank of Middlebury in Goshen, Indiana, and a new branch for Springs Valley and a retail center in Washington, Indiana. Also, in the past, we have completed projects for Farmers and Mechanics in Bloomington, for Napoleon State Bank in Greensburg, Indiana, and Westport, Indiana. We have also completed projects for Lake City Bank in downtown Indianapolis and Milford, Indiana, and the Antwerp Exchange Bank out of Antwerp, Ohio, also reached out to us to design a new branch for them in Harlan, Indiana. An exciting part of the work that we are doing with some of the Indiana banks is the forethought and uniqueness of the variety and the scope of our projects. For example, we recently completed work on Friendship State Bank's new Madison, Indiana branch, which was our first venture into working on a sustainable project. Working and collaborating with the vision of Friendship State Bank's president, Chris Meyer, we were able to integrate both active and passive solar energy design into their unique and modern branch that has a near zero energy footprint. One of the most dramatic and transforming remodels that K4 has done in recent years was for Wayne Bank and Trust in the original charter branch in Cambridge City, Indiana. As you can see from the before and after photographs, K4 completely changed the look of the exterior and the interior of the facility. With the continued trust and confidence of the IBA team, we were able to establish ourselves as a go-to firm for creative, innovative, and exciting design concepts, but at the same time use our needs to keys approach and our design bid build approach to provide practical and cost-efficient building solutions and projects for a number of our Indiana community bank clients. I personally, and we, the K4 team, would like to thank each and every one of you for your continued trust and confidence in the K4 team. And we hope that our relationships can only grow stronger as we weather these unprecedented times. We value our current relationships with the IBA team and the various Indiana community banks, and we will continue our work with them, but we would also like the opportunity to eventually work with other community banks that we have not yet had the privilege to work with. As always, let us continue building relationships. Thank you. To learn more about how to repurpose or redefine the overall branch bank experience to better serve the needs of your customers, please feel free to reach out to the K4 team at k4architecture.com or email me, Jeff Klump, directly at jklump@k4architecture.com. Thank you.